Welcome to kidsminilearn. Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn the ABCs together. Ready? Let's start. A is for apple. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. B is for ball. B is for ball. B is for bicycle. B is for bicycle. C. C is for cat. C is for cat. C is for clock. C is for clock. D. D. D is for dog. D is for dog. D is for doll. D is for doll. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for egg. F. F is for fish. F is for fish. F is for frog. F is for frog. G. G. G is for glass. G is for glass. G is for goat. G is for goat. H. H is for horse. H is for horse. H is for hat. H is for hat. I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. I is for igloo. J. J is for juice. J is for juice. J is for jacket. J is for jacket. K. K is for kite. K is for kite. K is for key. K is for key. L. L is for lamp. L is for lamp. L is for lips. L is for lips. M. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. M is for mouse. M is for mouse. N. N is for nest. N is for nest. N is for nose. N is for nose. O. O is for owl. O is for owl. O is for orange. O is for orange. B. B is for parrot. B. B is for parrot. B is for pencil. B is for pencil. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. R. R is for robot. R is for robot. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. S. S is for sun. S is for sun. S is for snake. S is for snake. T. T is for tree. T is for tree. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. U. U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn. We. We is for van. We is for van. We is for vase. We is for vase. W. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. W is for watch. W is for watch. X. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yogurt. Y is for yogurt. Y is for yellow. Y is for yellow. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Z is for zero. Z is for zero. Great job, kids! You have learned the ABCs. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Kids Mini Learn!